Great Success TV, a place where great minds are made. Don't fail to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time we upload.
In today's video, we will talk about how to identify and deal with entitlement people. Have you ever had to deal with someone who believes the world owes him or her? That is entitlement mindset. Entitlement person have this mentality and belief that the world owes him, that the world owes him a special treatment or privilege, that everybody around them owes them special treatment or privilege. The entitlement mentality is defined as a sense of deservingness or being owed a favor despite having done little or nothing to merit special treatment. It is the you owe me mentality. A person who has a sense of entitlement expects the world to treat them better than others. They treat others as if they are beneath them and exist solely to serve themselves. Everyone knows someone who believes the world revolves around their wants and needs. These are the types of people who have a sense of entitlement, and it is critical to learn how to effectively deal with these people. Otherwise, your life can be easily and unnecessarily disrupted. What are the signs? A person who feels entitled will exhibit many of the following signs. While not all of them are present at all times, there is a consistent pattern. Number one sign you will recognize in entitlement person is that they break the rules because they believe that the rules do not apply to them. This person believes they are more important than everyone else. They will disregard any rules that prevent them from obtaining what they desire. They will not follow instructions on how to complete tasks and will not wait for their turn. These same people, on the other hand, are quick to point out when others break the rules and call them out. They don't like to wait to queue up. You can see them everywhere. They are everywhere. But they are the same person. They are the first to point out when others go wrong. Number two sign. They believe that they deserve the best without having to earn it. Individuals who believe they are entitled do not believe they must work for their possessions. They may desire the top positions at work in their office from the start and will not want to work their way up the ladder. They will complain if they do not receive perfect grade in school, but they will not sit down to study. They need honor. They will complain also if they do not receive the highest honor ever given in their domain. Number three sign that you can identify that this person is working with the entitlement mentality. They don't like being told no. If you do, they will display a disruptive behavior and emotional outburst. They will yell at you. They will try bullying you. They will throw temper tantrums on you. Threat and any other method at their disposal if they are told no. If they are told no for any reason. Manipulation is one of their strongest traits. When you tell them no, they will display all manner of disruptive behavior. Number four, they only care about their own wants and needs. The entitled person is not concerned about what you have to give up or how inconvenient you are, as long as they get what they want. When you meet somebody who is not concerned about your welfare, who is not concerned about how you will feel or what will happen to you if you give up, if you allow them have what they want, that is entitlement person. They expect you to prioritize their agenda and desire over your own because they believe they are entitled to the best of everything. They expect that you should prioritize them, something that they will never do in your own case. Number five, They seek attention at all times. Entitled persons seek attention. Underlying their demands, the entitled person frequently associate the fulfillment of desire with their self-worth. They expect the rest of the world to see them as unique and deserving, and they need to be reminded of this on a regular basis. Consider the person who is constantly posting selfies in order to receive likes and be told how beautiful they are. Without that attention or validation, the person becomes depressed and feels alone. Number 6 sign, they enjoy pity parties. Did they get caught up in traffic? You will be hearing about it for hours, if not days. How could anyone have the audacity to treat them so disrespectfully? They will draw sympathy party. Number 7, they will belittle others if they don't have their way. If you try to stop them not having their way, remember, I'm not saying that there is a difference between what you earn and what you want to get because you feel that you are more important than others. If you work to earn, you deserve it. The entitled people, they are not ready to work, but they want to earn. They can go as far as belittling others if they don't have their way. The persons will verbally attack you and make you feel guilty of not giving in to their demand. They will call you names, gossip about you to anyone who will listen, and treat you as if you are worthless if you do not submit. I repeat, they will call you names, gossip about you to anyone who will listen, and treat you as if you are worthless if you do not submit. They want people to always submit to them. If you refuse to submit to them, they will call you names. They will call you out, gossip you to anyone that cares to listen. Number 8, they will sabotage another person's success in order to win. They don't mind to sabotage another in as much as they can win. Entitled people will sabotage one another's success if it means they will come out on top. This person must win at all costs and believe that any means will suffice to get them there. These persons must win at all costs and believe that any means will suffice to get them there. Number 9, they don't care who they hurt in order to achieve their goal because they regard everyone as beneath them. These people don't care who suffers as long as they get what they think they deserve. These are the same people who will literally take candy from a child if they want it. So this is part 1. In part 2, we are going to discuss how we can deal with this kind of people. Watch out for our next video.